Hi everyone! In today's video we would like to show how you can easily and quickly set the screen timeout whenever on this Oukitel K13 Pro smartphone. So first of all you want to open up the settings. Here just go for the display category, expand the advanced options, and in here somewhere we gotta have the screen timeout, or as it is precisely called over here, sleep. Open it and just make sure that the value that is set is never. And that will ultimately mean that you have successfully set the auto screen off value to infinite on this device. Alrighty, so that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and bye bye.